The next website that we are going to take a look at is the OER Commons website that can be found at oercommons.org. OER stands for Open Educational Resources. OER Commons provides free-to-use, openly licensed resources for teachers. So these are things that you can use, remix, edit, and distribute to your students without having to worry about copyright issues. Very easy to use, and there are multiple ways to search, much like the other resources that we've taken a look at this month and previously. First of all, the most straightforward way to search is, again, using the keyword search box here at the very top. So let me type in cells like I did the search before. Just type in the keyword, click search, and I can find all of the resources available on this website for cells. Again, you can refine your search. If I'm wanting to specifically focus on a certain subject area, I can just select that subject area only. I can look by grade level, so primary, secondary, post-secondary, on the unclicked primary and post-secondary. This will help you narrow your search results down and find something very useful. You also can search by material type and media format, so you can see lots of different things that you can look for. You can search for activities and labs. You can search for a full online course, or maybe you could pull some things from there. Also, media format, if you want it interactive or you want something downloadable, audio, etc. And then finally, conditions of use. There are 4 different types of resources on OER Commons. The first one is a no strings attached resource. So this means you can access it, you can change it, edit it, and you can share it out to your students with giving credit to the author as required. Remixing and sharing is very similar. Share only means that you can use this, but you cannot change it in any way when you give it to your students. And then read the fine print will tell you about copyrighted materials. However, you can rest assured that everything that you find on this website is free to use in some way. It is important for us to consider the copyright issues or our rights to share anything that we find, anything that we add in our courses with our students. You can also, if you don't want to just do a keyword search, you can also click Advanced Search and you can narrow down your search results all in one click. You can search by Common Core Standard and type in your keyword again. And then here you can identify all those things that we saw earlier that you could narrow down. You could do it all in one search, one step. If you click Browse All, you can browse by subject as well. So if you'd rather just say start with humanities if you're an English teacher or a world language teacher, you can click that way and narrow down your search results from there. You go back to the home page. You can also search by subject areas right here on the left-hand side. So pretty much wherever you are on the site, you'll have a way to search the over 39,000 resources available. So let's go back to humanities. When you find a resource that you like, let's click on this. You can click on it, find a large summary, all of the metadata and information available here. You have a couple options. You can rate it, so you can give it the number of stars that you think it is to help other teachers find useful information. Here you can see the conditions of use. And then on the Actions tab, this is where you can save this item. So if I click Save this item because I want to come back to it, I want to use it later, I click Save, and this is found in my collections, which is just in my OER. And from here you can see everything that I have saved and create folders to organize your resources as this area becomes more populated.